packing for going away, look at this bag. You can get loads in. Really, in this bag, you can tell I've got a pair of jeans, an underwear, and 2 tops. Don't believe me? I'm gonna take them out the bag. And if I didn't have a bag, they would be its own bag because of the way that I folded it. There we go. This is how you display clothes beautifully. So this is, imagine that this is a long jean skirt. I don't do that. This is jeans purely for display. So it's a jeans or a very thick skirt. This is a slip or a pair of knickers. This is a shirt folded in a way that you can get things in. And this is a rolled up shirt. And there's even space to put in another pair of your knickers. I'll do it like that so you can see. You can get another pair of knickers in. You do it like that. And have another pair there. And I have showed you how to do this. I will show you how to do this. In the bindle that I made, there were some shirts. So I'm going to show you how to do the shirts. Now, we all know how to do the traditional way of doing the shirts. And the way, which is to flip it on its back. Make the T shape with the arms. We're going to do that way so you can see what I'm doing. Flip it on its back. Make the T shape with the arms. Now this is how to do it without a T-shape table, which is, I'm used to having a T-shape table and you just go doof, 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 and you do like hundreds of T-shirts so fast. But this is how to do it. The quickest way to do things when you're folding things is to make them into a square. So this is why most of the things when you fold them, they go into a square. So this is the easiest way. You can be fancy, no. Just make life simple for yourself. Just what you're doing to stop. Fold it over. This is a long sleeve. Fold it over. 1, you've got this side of your square. Fold it over. Bang. Fold it over. 2, you've got your second side of your square. Now, KonMari was right with folding things into 3 because it's sturdy and it's smaller and it's thinner than when you fold things into 4ths. So bless her, KonMari, I love her. She does so much stuff. But this is KonMari / Uniqlo / Gap / everywhere that I've worked. And I have worked in some places and folded some jumpers. So we have folded these over, again, just over to make your square. Now into your thirds. So one side, make it so it's like half, just like that. So half, so it's like, oh, it's half the size. And then you fold it over again. It's great. Now we've got this very long sausage. Now you're going to turn it over. Look, because when you've done it into thirds, look how pretty it looks. See, you've got the neckline, especially if you've got like a lovely shirt and a t-shirt. You can see the pattern. Now, if you want to roll it, you can. So I'm going to fold it over, and if you like rolling, you can roll. Roll, 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 roll. That's done. That's the roll. But I'm going to show you the display way, and when you do this display way, you can tuck socks in and things as well. So, fold it in thirds, fold the top to meet, just so that, because you have to fold this first so that you know how far to fold this up. And you fold your top just so it covers, okay? So this is just covering it. Now, if you're like an old hand bite like me, you can do without this, but when you're starting, it always pays to just do like this first. Now, lift this slightly up, lift it out, and you see that this can now tuck into your top here. And this top doesn't like being buttoned up, it's mostly open, so you can just go like that, and that's pretty. And that's flat. We'll get another one. So we'll use this yarn. I do have multicolored tops. I found the yellow one, which might be easier to see on camera. So this works with shirts and t-shirts, and yeah, it looks really nice with shirts and t-shirts. And if you want security, it works with t-shirts as well. You could do that folding in. So ready? Flip it over. Yeah, and we're gonna make that square. So always make sure that you're not pulling any of this in, you're just making the square. So it's flat there, so that's one. Always when you do that, it always ends up being onto the shoulder and you fold up along towards the shoulder. So that's one. Get the other sleeve, do exactly the same. Two. Make sure that this has to remain flat. Don't do it so it goes like that, no. You make sure that this is always flat. So this will curve a little bit and that's okay. But like this needs to be flat, as you can see here. Now, we fold it once, fold it 3 times, and we have, as you can see, we've got our display hack. We've got it into birds. You can see the top and the neckline. It's good. Now we're going to, because I know what I'm doing, I'm going to do like this because I'm used to doing this. And now you can just go straight in, tuck that over, and because this one button's easier, I can button it on camera. There you go. Look at that, that's really brilliant. It looks really neat and tidy. And if you want to put like, if you're only just going and you just need a top and your knickers, you can pop your knickers in like that. You know, this is the slip. I'll show you how to do the slip in a minute. There you go. So, there you go. I forgot the knickers were next door. So, and the button fell off of this one, and I don't normally do it up here, so I didn't need to do it. So there you go. So this little top has made itself into like a little bags that you can put like a slip and an underwear and something else in it. So that's done. There you go. That's your shirts. This is this very small packing way, so you can get loads in, because remember when I did my little bindle, oh, just knocked the camera, there was one that was folded up and there was one that was rolled up. This is how you do your rolling up. It's virtually the same way as you would roll your knickers and things, but it's with sleeves. And you've got to remember that you've got these sleeves. So that's going across there, making a square. So you always start making a square because it makes life easier to fold things. So you have your square, and you've got to remember that before you pull it out, when you reverse it to get the neck out, that your sleeves are going to come out first. So now we're going to roll. So there's going to be one roll. So remember, there's going to be, you're going to roll out the sleeves when you reverse it. Then you're going to roll this down. You roll this down. It's always got to be face up to start. So we roll it, we roll it, we roll it. We leave that space there. Flip it over. Now it's the back. This is the back. Now we fold it in once. We fold it in twice. Now it's even smaller. Now remember, if you've seen the knickers before you've seen this one, you'll know that this would be the knicker bit, but we don't have the knicker bit. So we know this has got to go into the mouth here. It can't reach, so we are going to have to manually to physically pull it up ourselves. We get this bit here, that's the mouth. So we reach under, see there's the opposite mouth there. Put your hands in, look, it's my fingers, that's it. Hold it. And roll it in. We're physically pushing the bottom in and rolling the top out. And we've got to keep doing it. We've got to roll. And because remember we got sleeves, so it's going to feel like a really thick bundle. So we got to roll it some more. I'm hoping you can see this. You roll, keep rolling. Keep rolling. Oh, look, you can see. That's the neck. Your neck is out. Hurrah! Now you can stop there if you want, or you can completely roll the front neck out. So we're going to completely roll the neck out. And that means now all of this is out, so we keep going till all of this is at the front. There. That's it. And that's it there, small. That's very, very tiny. And you see, these are the sleeves. The sleeves make a little handle if you want. You could put something else in there. I don't know, like, you could put, I don't know, knickers, you could wrap them around if you want. If you just wanted to do top and some tights, you could just thread your tights just around this bundle. And you're good. I'll do it with this cardigan now, so you can see. See, this one is already bundled up. So I'm just going to unbundle this one. This is going to make this cardigan tops one longer than everybody else, but it's because there's various ways to do them. So here we go. This is the cardigan. We're going to do exactly the same. See, there's so many ways to fold, so we're going to do that. So cardigan. Sleeves are a bit longer, but it doesn't matter too much. So up to there. Up to there. Remember, we're making a square. This is the neck. Remember, it's forwards. And now we're going to roll it down. Rolling, 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 rolling. Rolling, 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 rolling. Roll. Leaving that bottom bit out. We're leaving that bottom bit out. Flip. Okay. That's the back. Push it up one, fold it once, fold it thrice, just like Conmarie says. We find our little bit here, and this is the bit that's going to be flipped, rolled in. We can't reach it, so put your hand there, get a grip of it, hold those two bits together, find this bit here that's open, and roll it over, tucking the bottom in. We're always tucking the bottom in. And we just keep rolling over, and we keep rolling over, and we keep it's slightly easier to see with the cardigan because it's slightly bigger. But keep rolling. I have not folded this straight, as you can tell, because the buttons are not in the middle. So we're going to keep going. Keep rolling it. And now we're coming up to the neck. And there's the neck. Da-da-da! And we're done. Once the neck is exposed like that, you can see we've got the sleeves there again. Very tiny. Let's put the top in. Yay! Small. Yes. Good for travelling. Oh, this is a little jean. This is a jean bag. And in this jean bag, I've got one rolled up top, one flat top, and some underwear. This is a slip. I mean, you can just pretend it's a pair of knickers. Yeah, so, and these are folded up in 2 different ways, and I've shown you how to do fold up these in your so that they make it, you go both ways, how this can make small like this for storage, and how to make it into like another bag, another little self-contained bag if you want. The easiest way to roll up your shirts, that's so quick and easy, is what we do in stores. And this display hack for this shirt that looks so tidy, and it looks very flat, and it can also store and work as storage if you want to pack your knickers and you want to pack them discreetly so that no one can see them. And there we go. And they all fit in to the jeans. So there you go. This is another overnight weekend. So we've got jeans, 2 tops, and say this is 1 pair of knickers. So like you could get another pair in easily, just slot it in there, just that side there, or slot it inside here. And you'd be good to go for a 4-day weekend.